Welcome back, guys, to another review. We're going to be taking a look at the Lamson Liquid S fly reel today. Now this guy, I'm actually going to give this away whenever I hit 1,000 followers on my Facebook page. This is a nice reel. I have fished it a couple of times. Right here is your drag. As you can see, it does click both directions. So when you're pulling it out, she's making noise. When you're reeling it in, she's making noise. This is your drag. Drag is nice and smooth. Very nice, smooth drag there. Now I put some trout line on this, and it was set up for doing a little bit of nymphing. You can see a strike indicator on there. But it's a fly reel. This is a 5/6 size Lamson Liquid S. As you can see, the rim here does extend out past it, so you can drag with your hand on this. Overall, very nice reel. No complaints about it. I mean, other than it clicks both ways. I'm not really a big fan of the click. But not bad. Definitely not bad. Lamson stuff is good quality stuff. You can't beat that. I don't believe this is a sealed reel. It does come apart. I guess it is a sealed reel. There you can see. Here's your clicker. Clicker in there is, it's plastic. It's a plastic clicker. And there's your little clicker gear on there. See the little bearings in there. I guess it is sealed. Looks like there's a little O-ring in there. It seals that up. That's your frame. And there's your spool. Overall, pretty nice. Very nice reel. Can't complain. It just pulls apart. Just grab it and give her a yank. She comes right apart. And the drag's decent. Let's get out the handy dandy weight measuring machine. And it comes in at 6 ounces. That's with line and backing on it, of course. Not bad. I can't complain about that. If you like what you're seeing, hit that like and subscribe button.